Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haqoe, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 6. Our today's topic is exercise 7, question 18. This is a creative question. Dear students, let us see the question. Exercise 7, question 18. The question is, at first a figure is given here. Here ABF is a straight line and another line AE and another line BD. AE and BD intersect each other at point C. Dear students, in the figure angle DCE is 50 degree and angle ABC is also 50 degree given. Okay dear students, now I will see the question. In the adjacent diagram, first question, what is the supplementary angle of angle ABC? It means that we need to find the supplementary angle of angle ABC. ABC. This is our first question. We have to find the supplementary angle of angle ABC. Question B. What is the measure of angle ACB? We need to find the measure of angle ACB, means this angle. We need to find the measure of angle ACB, means this angle. Okay dear students, now question C. Prove that angle DCE plus ECB is equal to 180 degree. In the figure, angle DCE plus angle ECB means this angle and this angle. Sum of these two angles is 180 degree. We need to prove this. Okay dear students, let us start the solution. First question A. Question A is, what is the supplementary angle of angle ABC? Dear students, you know what is supplementary angle. Suppose this is a straight line. This is a straight line. If any ray meets the straight line, suppose AB is a straight line, and if any ray OC meets the straight line AB at O, then two angles produced. One is angle AOC, another is angle COB or angle BOC. Dear students, you know that if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, means one straight angle, the angles are said to be supplementary to each other. It means that angle AOC is the supplementary angle of COB, and conversely we can say angle COB is the supplementary angle of AOC, as their sum is 180 degree or one straight angle. From the definition of supplementary angle and from the given figure, we can say the supplementary angle of angle ABC is, angle ABC means this angle, and angle CBF is this, and sum of these two angles is a straight angle or 180 degree, as AB is extended to F. It means AF is a straight line, as AF is a straight line. So we can say angle CBF means this angle is the supplementary angle of angle ABC. So we can write the answer of question A. From the given figure, you must draw the figure when we will answer the questions. In all three questions, you must draw the given figure. I'll write from the figure, we get the line AB is extended to F. Therefore, as AB is extended to F, as AB is extended to F, so angle CBF is the supplementary angle of ABC. So we can write angle CBF. Angle CBF is the supplementary angle of angle ABC. This is our solution of first question. It means question A. Now I have to solve question B. What is question B? Question B is, what is the measure of angle ACB? What is the measure of angle ACB? And remaining portion here, and y, and y. This is our remaining portion in the question. At first I forgot to write. See the remaining portion and y. It means that we have to write the measure of angle ACB, and we have to write the reason why the measure of ACB is that. So at first I have to see the figure. Here angle ACB means this angle. We have to write the measure of this angle, and we have to say the reason, At first I will write the reason. Then I will write what is the measure of angle ACB. So I will write the measure of angle ACB is, I will write the measure here, but before this, at first I have to observe what is the measure. If I see the reason, then I will say. Now, dear students, see the figure here. Here, in the figure AE and BD are two straight lines. These two lines intersect each other at C. As a result, angle DCE and angle ACB are vertically opposite angles. As vertically opposite angles are equal, so we can say the angle ACB is equal to angle DCE, and the measure of angle DCE is given here 50 degree. So we can say angle ACB is also 50 degree. It means that the measure of angle ACB is 50 degree. Now I will write the measure of angle ACB is 50 degree. I will write the reason now. What is the reason? The reason is in the figure the lines AE and BD intersect each other at C. AE and BD intersect each other at C. AE and BD intersect each other at C. As a result, angle ACB is the vertically opposite angle of DCE. As a result, angle ACB is the vertically opposite angle of angle DCE. Dear students, you know, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So we can say, we know vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, we can say angle ACB is equal to angle DCE. As these two angles are vertically opposite angles, I have written here ACB and DCE are vertically opposite angle of each other. Given in the figure, what is given here? In the figure, measure of angle DCE is given, that is 50 degrees. So we can write given angle DCE equal to 50 degree. As the measure of angle DCE equal to 50 degree and DCE is equal to ACB, therefore we can write angle ACB is equal to 50 degree. Dear students, at first I have written the measure of angle ACB is 50 degree, and here I have shown from the figure angle ACB is 50 degree. So this is true. It means that I have determined the measure of angle ACB. It means question B is done. Question B is done. Now I have to solve question C. Dear students, now question C. What is the question C? Prove that angle DCE plus angle ECB equal to 180 degree. DCE plus ECB is 180 degree. See the figure. What is DCE? DCE is this angle and ECB means this angle. We need to prove that sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So we can say from the figure, it is required to prove that angle DCE plus angle ECB is equal to 180 degree. Proof. Now I have to prove. Okay, dear students, now see here angle ECB is the supplementary angle of DCE. Angle ECB is the supplementary angle of DCE, as BD is a straight line. As BD is a straight line, angle ECB is the supplementary angle of angle DCE. So we can say that therefore angle ECB is equal to 180 degree minus angle DCE. Now we can write 180 degree minus the value of angle DCE is given, that is 50 degree. We can write given In side note we can write given, or if you want you can write in particular enunciation, given angle DCE equal to 50 degree. This is given. So if we subtract, we will get here 130 degree. It means that the value of angle ECB, it means this angle ECB means this angle is 130 degree. Now we need to find the sum of angle DCE and ECB. So we can write here now angle DCE plus angle ECB is equal to, the value of angle DCE is 50 degree and ECB is 130 degree. It means that therefore angle DCE plus angle ECB is equal to 180 degree. If we add these two, we will get 180. This is our required question. We need to prove that angle DCE plus ECB equal to 180 degree. So I have proved. So we can write here proved. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Keep practicing at home and do this as your homework. This is your homework 21. Submit your homework on next Sunday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.